Assalamualaikum. Hi friends. Today I'm going to make chatpat jhatpat chole. So it takes not more than 5 minutes once you have the masala ready. So it's very convenient, very easy, yet very tasty. No oil, just plain masala. So this is chickpeas, chane chole, kabli, और इसको we are going to boil it. You can put it in a pressure cooker. I'm going to use this with half a cup of water. I'll pressure cooker on for like 10 minutes would be good. Should be. So for the masala, I have taken equal proportion of dhania, that is coriander seed, and cumin seed, zira, like 5 to 6 tablespoons, and some dried red chili. First of all, mirchi, red chilies, roast ho jaye. Red mirchi is done. Here goes dhania. Roast it a little bit. Don't have to make it black, just it has that flavor. And here to show you, I'm making tamarind chutney. So I soaked it last night, the pulp, and I drained it and try to do it 1 or 2 times, like change the water, because at the end of the end sometimes there's a sandy thing, so you don't want that when you're having your chana. So once this chutney and this masala is ready, your life is easy to make this. Just want to share a small story that when my daughter got married, she went to New York. She said, "Mom, nobody makes something like yours. So how do you make your chana so tasty? I haven't tasted something like this here." So what I did, I made the masala for her and packed it in a jar and made this chutney for her, and I gave it to her when she was going away back. So now she said that, "Oh my God, it's so I just opened the can and I put these 2 things and my chana is ready." And with little bit of others like kala namak and chaat masala. So dhania is also done. I'm going to take out the dhania. To this tamarind, I'm putting some jaggery or gur. If you don't have this, you can also put sugar. It gives a very good sweet and sour and tangy flavor. Like 1 to 2, and you can taste like the khatta and meetha you can taste. I tasted my chutney is too sour, so I'm putting little bit more jaggery or gur. So you can always taste and blend and see what is perfect for your taste. If you want for the chutney, you can also put little bit of red chili, but here I'm already putting this red chili. I'm not going to put in this. And for later on, you can put it in the jar. You can use this chutney for dahi bale. If you're making any chaat, you can just, it's so tasty, so good. My thing is ready, chickpea, and the zira is also ready. I'll blend it in the blender to make not a very fine powder, but yes. Chickpea is ready, like it's tender. I'm putting salt to taste. Make sure you're putting chaat masala and black salt or kala namak. So be careful while putting your salt. It's always easy to add some, but to take it out, it's not easy and simple. Dry masala is ready. That was red chili dry red chili, and there's cumin seed, zira and dhania. And to this I'm going to add, so that's what I was saying, your life will be very easy when once you prepare this. And this chutney is ready. I'll put it in this jar in the fridge, and it can stay in the fridge for at least 3 months, 3 to 4 months. And after these things are ready, it will only take 5 minutes. Add some of these masala, at least 2 to 3 to 4 tablespoon. Put some chaat masala, no oil at all. Put some of these chutney, black salt, kala namak, 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, I'm so sorry, 1 teaspoon dear. My very chatpat chana is very ready to be dished out. So as I told you, this is going in the fridge for 3 months, and it will be chatpat. When next time I'm using it, this masala is ready. You only need chaat masala, salt, that's it. Going to dish out this, and thank you for watching my video. Take out a few seconds to subscribe if you've not yet subscribed my channel. Share, like, hit the bell icon for the next video which I'll be posting. It gives me great encouragement reading your comments and your appreciation. Some tomatoes. It's so light, so yummy, so freshening, so tasty. I can't even name you what every way. Thank you for watching. No oil chole.